Okay, guys, I am back. I am back. This is the crypto reviewer. Yes, the crypto reviewer. Now, the crypto we will be reviewing today is none other than Launchpool. Yes, Launchpool, LPOOL. It is currently priced at 17 cent, 17.52 to be exact. It's been in the green. The past 24 hours, 76.95%. It is up, all right. And 24-hour high is 0.24, 24-hour low, 0.099, 24-hour amount of L pool. The volume was 3.93 million, 24-hour volume in USDT, 672,442. All right. You know, Launchpool is the egalitarian investing. Launchpool believe all project stakeholders are as important as each other. Now, investment funds and communities should work side by side on projects on the same terms towards the same goals. So right now, Launchpool harnesses their strengths and aligns their incentives so that the sum is greater than its constituent parts. All right. Now, Launchpool connects varied stakeholders in the crypto industry, including funds, communities, marketers, and experts, incentivizing all. Funds provide a portion of their deal flow to the Launchpool platform on exactly the same terms they receive as early investors. Now, LPOOL holders stake LPOOL to access a related portion of the deal on offer. Now, LPOOL holders are a community of investors, growth hackers, influencers, customers, traders, and knowledgeable industry participants who combine to form an incentivized community around the project they have invested in. Now, LPOOL is open to all. Simply stake one of the tokens found on the staging or the staking page to start earning your LPOOL. All right, for free. You can withdraw your stake in LPOOL at any time. Now, here is a recap of some of the best performing Launchpool allocation mining events over the last 12 months, which are success stories. Now, Unison, the ticker is ZCX, total raise is $50,000. Launchpool price at 0.03 cent, and the all-time high price was $7.01. The total return was 233x. All right, now the Realm, the ticker is Realm, total raise was $400,000. 0.03 3 cent, which was the Launchpool price at the all-time high. Price was $2.16, and that was a total return of 72x. We have Proxy, the ticker is PRXY, $60,000 raise, $1.60 at Launchpool price, all-time high price $56.24, with the total return of a 35x. All right, now you have Singularity DAO, the ticker is SDAO, total raise $250,000. Launchpool price at that time was 30 cent, and all-time high price was $6.62, bringing in a total return of 22x. All right, now you have DeFi 11. The ticker for that is D11. Total raise for 510,000. Launchpool price at the time was 10 cent. All-time high $1.25, which brings in a total return of 12.5x. All right, now you have Swarm Markets. The ticker is SMT. The total raise was $500,000. The Launchpool price at that time was 10 cent, and all-time high price was $1.09. The total return of 10.9x. Now, this is how the Launchpool staking works. Most notably, project tokens can be obtained at the same price large crypto investment funds get them. Now, promoting equality among stakeholders. This also provides transparency and negates any party having any advantages over another. All right, now there are 4 key benefits for LPOOL token holders. Number 1 is access to projects at the earliest rounds, enabling investors to access best prices without the associated minimum threshold reserved for investment funds. Now, investment through a regulatory compliant means. And number 3, peace of mind. Investments are made into bona fide projects that have been vetted on a number of levels. And last but not least, number 4, a chance to become a meaningful part of new projects communities. All right, now There are 5 key benefits for new projects who participate in the Launchpool. Number 1, promotion through association with some of the industry's most recognizable names. Number 2, leverage contacts and industry know-how of some of the most successful funds in the sector. Now, number 3, a ready-made community keen to engage. Number 4, a diverse customer base. And last but not least, number 5, capital. All right, who does not like capital? Now, there are 4 key benefits for investment funds who participate in the launch pool. Now, number 1, engage communities that can leverage the power of the crowd and turbocharge growth hacking. Now, number 2, community curation and feedback, deeper insight into why and how projects are successful. Number 3, secure more top quality projects. And last but not least, number 4, opportunity to give something back and to be closer to the crypto community. Now, here are some testimonials by Liam Robertson, CEO of Alphabet. So, quote, we're hugely excited to be launching Launchpool. We believe in it brings a new, fairer, more transparent investment opportunity to everyone. Now, we also think it aligns all participants together so that everyone can experience a positive outcome, end quote. All right, now you have Harry Ye, Protocol Ventures GP. Launchpool is an exciting new offering in the space. Now, seeing Launchpool set a level playing field for all investors is very welcome. We look forward to being part of many investors' successes, end quote. All right, now you have Tom Sweeney, John Capital CEO. Community-driven investing is one of the next logical steps for the crypto space. Launchpool will be a leader in this field. All right, end quote. You have another one by Enzo Villani. All right, Alpha Sigma Capital CEO. Launchpool is what the crypto market needs now. More transparency and the ability to level the playing field for all investors. All right, you have Mike Chen, GBIC CEO. Launchpool has the potential to become the European version of the coin list and bring the best quality projects to its community. Now, Launchpool has been audited by CertiK and Alphabet in association with its partners. Proudly announced Project Launchpool. All right, curated and enabled by Alphabet, GBIC, June, A195, FBG Capital, Alpha Sigma Capital, West Ridge Markets, FOMO Craft Ventures, and Sequence. All right, Launchpool leverages communities' knowledge, expertise, contacts, and capital to provide crypto projects with the best possible start to life, maximizing their chances for success in the fast-moving and dynamic space. Okay. Now, here are the team details. You have Rich Simpson, which is the founder and CEO. Liam Robertson, founder. Oscar Lindley Smith, founder. Didar Hussein, head of operations. Roxana Nasoy, head of growth at Launchpool, head of Launchpool Labs. All right, Sam Harvey, project coordinator. Jean Mark Griffith, all right, community and socials lead, and Eleanor Rooney, the analyst. All right, now this is how Launchpool started. They set on this journey with Launchpool to democratize the digital asset investments landscape. The game felt rigged. Okay, the entry points were difficult to achieve unless you had the knowledge or the financial power to sustain a position in a crypto project. More experienced players, crypto funds, wells, exchanges had the upper hand, making it impossible for an egalitarian offering, even if project teams will be open to it. Now, unless investors get into the project early, the returns were almost impossible to achieve. Now, Launchpool was born out of a desire to support the entire ecosystem, from retail investors to whales, funds, projects, marketers, and stakeholders alike. Now, they've created a unique investment instrument to support this decentralized economy of the future. Now, by offering investors private sale opportunities pre-IDO with the same vesting schedules and bonuses as funds and partners receive. Now, what is LPOOL? LPOOL is the native token of the Launchpool platform and is the tool used to stake interest in a new project. Staking in LPOOL allows holders to gain access to projects that otherwise would not be available to the public, granting them access in a private investment round bound by a vesting schedule. Now, This is how LPOOL staking works. In order to claim a guaranteed allocation of one of the projects on the Launchpool platform, users must stake LPOOL to gain a percentage in a project undergoing an allocation mining event. The percentage of the total project allocation that you will be granted depends on the amount of LPOOL you stake, which pools you stake into, and for how long. And at the end of a project staking period, you will be able to pay for your allocation in BUSD, and your LPOOL will be returned to you. Okay, now this is how to stake your LPOOL in the AME. They announce new projects across the Twitter, Telegram, and Discord channels. In order to participate, you need to have a KYC account on Launchpool's app. All right, the link is on their website, I believe. So to set up an account, you go to app.launchpool.xyz. You click register, enter your email address and a secure password. Upon registration, confirm the account by clicking the link that is sent to your email. Now complete the KYC process by submitting the relevant documentation. Once your KYC has been accepted, you can partake in the staking pools and you're ready to go. Now, what are the maximum limits that one can stake across the pools? Now, they have split 3 different pools on BSC and 2 pools on ETH. This way it keeps it fair and no one needs to fight with the whales for their allocation. You can stick it in all pools or in the pool of your choice. Now, the current pools are: Pool 1 has a staking limit of 50 LPOOL tokens. Pool 2 has a staking limit of 250 LPOOL tokens. Pool 3 has no maximum staking limit. Now, this is how Launchpool get access to private rounds for the community as a partner to Alphabet Fund, one of the first major crypto asset funds, alongside partnerships with a number of other top-tier digital asset funds. Launchpool gains access to new project deal flow at the same rounds and gives that to LPOOL holders. Now, this allows projects to feel comfortable giving you exclusive deals and access to private investment opportunities in their projects before they do a public IDO. Now, the vesting schedule. When you participate on the Launchpool platform, the project tokens you are allocated will be vested according to a vesting schedule decided on by the project and laid out in their tokenomics. It is rare for tokens on the Launchpool platform to not offer a vesting schedule. Now, a vesting schedule works to limit the number of tokens you receive. Now, splitting the token allocation over a defined period of time, usually because you receive the tokens at a lower valuation than later entrants. Now, for example, an investor might get 100 tokens with a vesting schedule of 25 tokens unlocked per year, meaning after 4 years, the investor will be fully vested. Different vesting schedules make different lengths and payouts. So just to be clear, a vesting schedule is an incentive program for employees that gives them benefits, usually stock options, when they have contractually fulfilled a specified term of employment with the company. Now, the benefits can also be other assets, such as retirement funds. Vesting is a way for employers to keep top-performing employees at the company. All right, a vesting schedule is also commonly used in inheritance, law, and real estate. All right, now, when an employee is vested in employer matching retirement funds or stock options, they have non-forfeitable rights to those assets. Now, the amount in which an employee is vested often increases gradually over a period of years until the employee is 100% vested. A common vesting schedule is 3 to 5 years. All right, no way, shape, or form my financial advisor, but if you take heed of what the crypto reviewer is actually telling you to, maybe, just maybe, you can come out on top, my friend. You already know that the Bitcoin halving is fast approaching. All right, so all right, this is the time you need to be low. Now, this is the time you need to be stacking your coins when it comes to crypto. I believe Q2 of 2024, there will be another Bitcoin halving, making the price shoot up, making it more scarce. Okay, so this is a great time to begin in crypto right now. 2023 is the time that you sow your seeds, so that when the 2024 comes, you can reap what you sow. Okay, there are a lot of FUD out there, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. All right, that will shy you away from the crypto industry. Okay, if you go out there and you ask the average person about crypto, they can't tell you anything about it. Okay, that's because you are still early. All right, it is like 1998 for the internet, now for crypto. You understand? Nobody understands it. It's crazy. But you know what? You are still early. You are an early adopter. If you want to achieve generational wealth, this is the time to do it. This is the time to achieve time freedom. This is how the big dogs do it, okay? They live off of their investments. They make their money work for them. They make their money a slave. They don't become a slave to time. They do not become a slave to their money, okay? This is how it works through investments, okay? Now, this is the time you need to be investing properly. If you cannot invest how you want, you need to dedicate a just a stream of income just for investing. If you need to get a second job to dedicate it to crypto, that is what you need to do. If you need to start a business, a side hustle, you need to dedicate some form, okay, of income to investing, okay? This is how it works, okay? Now, they want you to shy away from the crypto industry. You know, they want you to sell your coins so that the big dogs can come in and buy them at discounted prices. This is how it works, all right? Now, if you like what you're hearing, I want you to smash the like button. I want you to turn it blue, all right? I want you to get in the comment section, all right, so that the crypto reviewer can make a special response to you. I want you to share this video, all right, as this video contains valuable information. I want you to smash the notification bell, as I like to call it, the motivation bell, all right, so that every time I upload a video, you will receive your daily motivation, all right? I want you to subscribe to this channel, all right? Now, this is a crypto reviewer, and I will see you on the next video.